adishima man patrol ma obi biara akwaba eba salvation era an ene wukuo ye sande ye ndwumadie no anase ye cheche no ye de eto so fache ye bre no ekokakra enye na bibi nti fache bebre me patrol ye na edi dwumade mu chiame mu nua ba na ya akonedu ya do mini sister an ye na edi dwumade mu chiame me dofo patrol wukuo da na ebisa wa sembiem se kwasi ada na ebisa question bi se empo awarefo no omoto no so obia enya ne separate account it me the problem ba na sika konfo dumfu ye eni honum enye ye bi ban so so asem kwati nyoma ketekete e nam sika so ema edi awaregu ba na so so ye ni ema ho no e ho ncheche ne a kira ye na edi aba bedu nti eguso a cheche se ya me no mienu ye ni beda o me do fo me kuso e ka o se me pa wa cho bebre enka wakoma so betimi aso ye na sene e wodwumade mu betimi de afa ekwan hudo bia so se ka wakoma betimi de afa momo line 0242 381 585 0242 381 585 and yes sounds so betting there for PayPal apostlefredministry@gmail.com PayPal apostlefredministry@gmail.com and for said ye che won ti ase a ye fiti baby anya de aba bedu baby ti ahyase nyina o YouTube Oko Apostle Fred Ministry a obehu ba won bia na subscribe ni videos nyina watinya hwe na siesi waware any relationship na wo mu no na adeketu abi ama mefo wani je ana ne waware ho ye bo hwe ni akoyen papa wo na ye de ento aso ne so ma we fi sesa wo ho na obi e de page yen papa picture e Reverend Fedi Agima wo de picture beto sre wo scam medofo ye ho ho bi na friend te basa number nam de tu dwa no utimi frɛ na wama yaso enso etimi atinyame ensha bebre bo hwe ni akoyen papa ni ato adwumadi ni so dani pacha mu akwaba me pacha em say yeguso cheche ni market nkiti bi enam sika so ma ede awareguo eba ade bi ho no ma ye hu so eni beba ye ho so no kwasi adam bobo no ma bebre so ema eba ye nim se ye nhira no enu atim be ya asem foforo ni market nkiti mti kwasi adam no ka asem bi say empo samu ya warefo na adofo motena se na obi akepi separate account a etimi de awareguo no eba na wada ma ne ma ye hu no
Radias, I don't think they share any gym. Like said, you're kind. At times, when people think say keeping separate accounts, and I say keeping your own accounts is the best way to solve problems. And I said to keep argument and misunderstanding. And tonight, I told them go for the break. I gonna say, keep your accounts. Me keep my accounts. No beboa. I'm a baby. I'll try it. But from my personal research, and what I've noticed, and when he said, I know your root are there will first be brave, a creative separation, and misunderstanding our marriage. Because say Obia na accounts it puts parties into suspense. Because when him the wunya and when him the wunya always it me create problems. Emma our real the problem. It is not advisable, say, as a marriage, in marriage, it's not advisable. As a married couple, it's not advisable to be able to keep it in accounts, secret, and that's a privately from the other parts. But it's good to be able to be a seeker and be see where they are boom.
Yes, will be able to yonku sika.
Yes, will be able to young Kusika.
See, I'm paying bomb take us a man who says cow bearman who are brave and be or coberman who could be sat. The bearman who is a son, or my own who is a Kenyan, a banner sana, or the BBS Nana.
I think, sir, still now, especially by Africans and Australian marriage. I see now, me, when he said, you better so a be a betcher. So we read the baby from the book of Ecclesiastes, chapter 4. Verses number 9 going it talks about unity. Was it two are better than one? And in marriage, me when he said, you need this belongs to me or this belongs to you. What in marriage it should happen, he said it belongs to us. See, when he said it belongs to us, I don't think say any brother, and we should find out say, near my ben ya ne de Sikano. Me keep my accounts. Me keep accounts. Me keep my account. Dia ni ana edeba. Emprebe de masa na ema na eba no so-called extended family na ombe involved or marriage mo no. Omo na timi masa na ema no ye den happen. Nti no bema na oba sebi na ni eda form no wonka se uhu mi sika nyina obegye ntenya de amem wo hu. And I believe say o question at times the type of nipa waware ni so. And I check the type of the way usika se mo be etoto no. Obu ho uhu sika nyina age sasa ensan ya na so no be se mi ni ese bubom na se sika obedi ama na san send is up to you. But ohu se mo se bubom so anya de obe waste sika bo so waste ne de no we de o waste no enti say obi okohu say ye dia obi take good care of it. Mama for example at time when it comes to if you have a car obi how the car man so on drive one car nya ne dia nti no or drive anyhow but say ohu say ne dia o take care of it enti pa to taxi me na why you should back for akoma driver say unfe yanuma obi say maybe the wo driver wa wo to na wa wo issue na e be check but the ma driver ni no o mi shi no ti sana eti ohu say ne dia e sika ne aka bomu a I think said there will be understanding skano anye basa pacho wutia na o share na etimi aboa nti wa wutie bia ni please try say obehye mre na bitie bebreba try say obehye na etimi dia somdwe aba
pacho semiti dia okan ya se ya oka se gina oba ne so say obia ne ne su ne ne ban
gina oba ene be
ma no Emfa ne say me specify say oba bi o ho antina ma me ka ne sa no oba bi o ho no ma no very extravagant be ma bi nso won so te sa ti se won hu se sa esu no wo oba na be ma ne mu a e be den sa baka say bosom ya so me pay 2000 3000 na oba ni be ma ne abra onim say other party no e extravagant na ta ne pa we nyina sa ne ko save won di ne dia sa medu dia kwa nka ho.
One thing I was say ye hu ni say that's why o ko ware a you need to study the person. You need to court or date the person to know the type of person I'll be worried. In courtship, and I say in dating, it moves any man in a way to make a decision. Is it right for me to continue or not? Because I did be I went to me and stop for marriage, join dating and outing. Oh, we are in it is so big. I quite remember I said it the last time. So you'll be away, you will be we use skirt anyhow. Oh, we're in at the same time, and when you are maybe into to break up. Based on say me she's it's not to me I would say it's not right. Sir. Because when you ask yourself for better for the west side of also marriage you say be you be issue sika na could be you she.
No the best no. Na mpacho what can say be say court na na say dating is different thing altogether. It's different na oba we so we is a different world altogether. Ti me ne be ma no court never say ono no ama na hu say no wati o. Anya hwe no ama meka say what dey secure na nyame na do no worry afi no ba be che say see yankasa no wotie ti court na wan hu ni suban na kwakọ wura wawe wo hu no still no ma no hu ni sikasem
I was so many who that's the best way to solve like to maintain marriage. I would advise the public to save together if you want to enjoy your marriage and if you want to maintain your marriage you need to save together. So once you save together and I say pretty accounts now, automatic there will be a divorce. Automatic there will be a problem. Automatic there will be an argument. Because we need and TB or crowd, which is scary crowd. Scary crowd, we save together, which is kind of your coffee free and what's here the contour. So when they contour, there is no any problem. But when you scare crowd, any pursuit, but when you scare when it's scanning inside, what I measure any pursuit, you know. But we save together and we be together. I don't think that there will be a problem.
This anyone decide to say, on one case on a separate account, or ban so a separate account, but on more joint account to be a money and contribute kakra di bem. It means separate account in a man who dear womb, but joint account in a meaning of being in the womb. It's
not advisable. It's not a big creative argument. And that's I know how better. Because it may be a put too much to suspense. We see kind of winya no. Me won ya what the and a nipa no matter what. You were worrying near ni kunu koso na ye ne ya ani yo worry near ne ye koso na ye ne ya e wo ho obetima worry pa wo ye bema obetima worry pa bet wo koso a ebe ye wayere ya obetima worry pa wo koso ebe ye wo kunu ya e wo ho e ade a eye ni pesu e ade e wo obu temika se obu okra ni kunu eye ajapade na ni kunu ya ade bia e bia eye ade wo ye adwuma bi wo ya ade bi eye ne yase ni kunu eye sa de se wan kan kire no e wo ho o de me kire no e na obu wo se ne yere ya ade ne yina de wo ye no enya ade bone discover ba bit me be ma ne yase ne yere an kan yire and function. And no, it's not advisable say obi abeye na de nko. I was some nyina mo de adwene ko ne akoma kro bom na mo ye de na mo ye. But at times we wo say me kunu kasa too much. Wonim secret. Me yere kasa too much. Wonim secret bi a meye. Obu kra ye adwuma bi na yiri din na da so. But yiri ko wuce ni kuna bi ese adwuma no le bu afu. Say ni kuna anka ankyere. But me kodwo dia I advise you say so what come so anka o. You shouldn't let that thing cause a problem. Because so ye den a e ba wa ankasa wo nchen. Ana obu a wo hu say ne yere kasa. Wo say ni kunu kasa too much nti say me ade ni si na me surprise na think say e beboa. Enti wo de be si. What let me say? You know, no yeah, no so yeah.
But so sister mama say nipa na ne tini su ne ne ban no ana nkyere say mu save ya bom ana say na onipa ne ti ban ti bia yi enyo emom
media eye our advice say obi anukunu ensave mom. That is the best. Ade ni si save bom na maame abana maame so opesika ne ni bia uni abasi ye pesika ne ni bia say problem. Ye save bom obema yere maame abaso opesika bi no a yeni asem oba maame abaso opesika bi no yeni asem but say a separate account so tim ka dey bi ho na wo si bi ni ho ana okofa so rekoye a e be create problem e dia ba ntam say yeni bi dia won say yeni bi enti woni bi a wo yiri ntimi put pressure na ni bi okuru ntimi put pressure wo so but say koye sa so obi no odi esie mi aso obi no odi esie so no obi te na emre bia no opeso take advantage of you emre bia wo hu say nipa dia wo ye actually why to transfer and what no I am not going to allow this thing to continue. What the major one argument misunderstanding no yeah.
Nampacho awari for bit to one more back catch and you say oh fa usika ehwe the utilities any aduane yemu ono so de sika be school fees na baby a project bi on the be sa no on request for some mienu nyina mo fa sika mum eno so
Oh, so
assignments for usika ni
marriage is individual thing. And you work together at the boom. I want to advise that thing. From near maybe I be mehu. Ye we na me sumi we. So went me anya o gina no so no ko. Na bi beti me say ma de no went me be ye de abom ye ya. Bibi sine nyina ye ntimi anya hwan na ne na eku. Ana hwan na ne nya argument. For who pay kwaya de we. Bibi beti me sine bia nyam say you pay no you use kind of kwakọ this issue. Na china say bia ko beti me de aba ye nya ye mfa nya ne ye ntimi amfa nko ye say me oni asem.
Yes. So say from who experience inti you want advice but what can say be say the save obi de no egu obi de ti bia wo de na anya ye obi nso de be ya ma no so e.
Oh say and na can say from my experience I won't advise people.
You won't advise.
I won't advise people. I would never advise people to do separate accounts. Individual differences. Also, be aware. We keep separate accounts and a beboa. But from maybe a man who say, Emma or Yera and I say, who couldn't answer what they say, who was a cabia with the sea, and now where the padilla with the sea. The more suspected side than your woo obey. What did I mention? I say, yeah, that's why I'm saying that. But when I say, go will be crack or cabby beach, ne say. Who couldn't ya deal with what you see, who catch it, Nicholas, or you what you said, and Hannah. You couldn't tell the cousin, and Hammer. Near Hammer, say.
My in fact, I say me many bresem. A brabono say when did you so need to be an idiot, obi was sick upon. Me fact, despite any unfatum. None here on any Iraqua severe boom. Look at the number of sick be a babaning them. None here who said so. My husband is having this huge amount of money. Say to the be uncle for experiences near DB, and the atutunko for be to be the Yasuan who know. The bed so bad when I cried was any German problem on his gazamo. Then you make why so and for to be a way ya and we here. Because some chess say, what level of me by the work and matwasi. May you show the individual differences. Obi wa accounts and crowd will need or my problem. One is na accounts now with the woman, maybe on no ban crowd in the doors and a bearman crowd in the doors, or my problem. And the only pay or one, she is good, he is good, but influence, go for advice on the man. Who the man correcting your coon? Anyone found when I'm conquering Debbie, Moya Boma went to Minkum. We are separate to bit Macum. Went to Minkum. Moya Boma in idea. My mention my debut about Nipa. A baby in marriage, you know. Then last time I can say, me say. Oh, enter marriage, don't go with your heart.
go with your mind. What do heart call our remo and maybe negative thoughts near the doors? I say, would they tip them and I would eat your banana day or laugh and one comma a man. Will be a big problem. You're the arguing a year caution. I'm telling you, you're the arguing a year dating. So what do we laugh when they were heart call somebody create and about them, them more Jimmy or Babem more about them, or Babem more that jail, or Babem more that prison because of the hearts. But so what the one junior, who ya knows at the end in Kuya, 1 or 2 awful. No chance. Me lifetime, you see, so Oba in Yami da. Me dating, me yet, no. Me should have the air one and me jammer.
Oh, now found why they sell.
Maybe me say a cobon, so be jammer, me jammer. That is me. Reason and say, I don't rely on human. Me life, I don't rely on human. I rely on what I believe I can do. I rely on what God has given to me. I rely on there's a secret. I am media man. That secret is my thinking, my imaginations, my thoughts. What I mean is, and the mammy yet and that is in Yankopon. One, mobile my wife for much 15, 20 years will be an will be an BBA, and that is how Yami created. And then I make us a cast more where I'm on number, and yet I be possible. Obian Nagani. Ubetimo about Obeti Matter, Mamochona or Bane Planet Chinobukum. Bemane Planet or Chinobed, Ubukum, a Yenipa. Different thinking, different imagination, different backgrounds. To be an idea or the buy. And a different friends. More worry, Obian and a down for worry or friend, Obian a down for Neno and I'm for. And you won't marry you saw Beman down for Banadam for Banadam for a Beman for me. Our advice. And now a member say, one, who worry a mower down for you, you're down for. So, Bem, what was Madame for you, Madame for Adam for them a year. I want advise people to do that mistake. So, person, worry your course, be very careful about your friends that have access to your wife or your friends that have access to your husband. They will be threats to your marriage. All marriages are collapsing now. So-called friends are now you do about marriages. I'm gonna say you worry. I'm gonna destroy your relationship. Even when it comes to courting, be very careful about the people that you introduce your courting partner to, because some of them, messengers. I just want to say relationship. Obi na ebe kire ni say ade we ya ukunu ye wo ne nye ade we ya wo yire ye wo ne enye na e change aba. And still, people have this mental slavery. We don't, we entrancing, we said the year and a bay and I said, just so be a better said the year and a year and I said, and yet, last time I'm going to be about. I hear about America, I said, I see people who do that say they don't have anything to do.
I'm here for fun. And
not for fun. When I see people doing that, and I just look at them and say, what does it mean? I'm a new.
Really?
Why?
Why?
My main secret be the blacks and I said the Americans, they are not proud to be Africans. I'm telling you, if they are proud to be Africans, almost back Ghana time a president here say homecoming no, be by president may be no, and maybe a naturalized may be no, and may be no Ghanaian passport. I can prove it to you. I have a friend when you have Ghana passport and send over here. I don't know America Ghana. More come back to America. If your nation is very good. If Ghana had a baby, a genie partner, ye citizen, no, as a Ghanaian, and Konya Hong Kong.
If be a one consider the we are nation economy city about her, send ye Nippana woman, soon or mobile
nation, no, nation, ni pursue. Nation actually pursue. The nation is an independent of normal. Nation in your discipline, the person in your discipline. Nation is corrupt, people living in the nation. What is nation?
Also, consider
what is nation?
Aspect.
No, what is nation? Maybe peaceful aspect in the end.
Like the Africa, peace that reigns in this country, you know, that is what most people consider. My main job say peace, and they say, "What do you want to say peace?" When people are cheating on you and you start not to say anything, we call you say you're a peacekeeper, but that doesn't make you a peace person. Sir.
Yes, you want phobia, or my desire they say, and that is African leaders. African leader, every idea could to be no they renew. No for man. Your man African leader say, on fa your man 100 billion. Obama man 1 billion. Who when yaje. because who 1 billion da no dey be
be na be kire maybe ade am dey menye 1 billion sika house mani age
no I me wonte mase menta ade ye 1000 na bana me 5 mawa me nche wade o
ya bu so abuna 1000 if I free man
ana me kire we ti eno na egu ye ani mu ase and I'm telling you abrofo ne sere yen de bia wo mo ba no mu se e bia convoy ye presidents ne ye nko for ministers ne ba no mo airport me na me ka kiro me free kwa America kwa London me hu se minister bi e ba kwen am ya park so me sene da me hu se V8 London hu V8 se ko to aso 15 20 se Queen Elizabeth na ba me hu bi da US me hu bi da even crown say president na ye Obama time Bush time what do you call it Clinton time when one time when to akwa wa be dey say Trump time na me hu da convoy no what tell me tell us na you shoot the beast Obama say beast na eba baby kakre bon fa nkwa ntenten kra baby kakre mo all the time omutimi shoot buses any helicopter Air Force One no what the code baby ba ma men chow say yen crofo no ento mo ba o mo sere ana bebre be page no ho be page ma no ye so ntwa bride ba ko page no America you pay any bride enti no ba ha no say wa ba ha no aba be hu say African no aba back to Africa and I'm telling you abrofo no ye omomobo o ye leaders na ye omomobo as I'm from America church you don't think say they no come for assembly by you are living in the nation you're very good no you are not living in the nation very good
say obi train negative always think positive to say omo no ma dey omo say be omo take advantage of yen because of say no musu yen na the papa mu until it's up to them one bedroom ne born is up to them also say omo sre yen say ye bibia enya ofa na say bibia entize say enya wakono say Abraham ka o ma me my passport ma oni ti say oko back to where you are coming from now ko sre say
there is no means say otia obekwa America say homecoming now America for cause here my passport it's not going to happen this say be away sports no one naturalize and no who ya dey no per say you naturalize ma we dey boa wo that's what the Americans will do the British Western countries that's what they do what be here e be away sports what be ball and one naturalize ma wo then automatically get the passport to become but nipa ni ba no ba visit yan ma ne dey ti your passport na dey the passport ni ade ya papa nke ni eja ni sada
obi ane na do yo obi ane na do yo men call ye
but men
call baby ada
you call baby obi ka say Jeffrey oba mi na chi
many watching you but as one person training say I'm trying to say be na your mentality na dey ya de no ne sana
mentality na ye use edija ye name mu microphone it's wrong the nation should go to the point say people should be proud of the nation and you say gege name mu basa yes sir abrofo isre he ma menka de bincho Liberia omo president Obama did something you feel it okoto jeeps more than 50 as a convoy V8 what you America for as loan na obetu America for catch and say she's not serious because now would you loan one in China only can be issue maybe only can be issue yet here say ye tuanko for car Ghana for ye tua ye nko for ministers bi ka ye working there Dallas what should this cities yet Ghana ye tua de Ghana ye tua there Dallas
Dallas
we ye Kumasi we say America adan ye say ya de adan ye tumi ye na nanom de ama ye to atwene who can say I am from the Canada no wo na abofo bo opuni bo na abofo ko wo godi su no magimi wo mo nyimi na na ba besesa no
na kwa na de ba ye
na chewa de do your research I don't believe so kuma make or take okoso ye nyina papa ye nana aye hye na se no he is support of this
well if he is not in support aba ya che what's a sabre can be about a million not in support of it.
No.
It is so big idea.
One more this idea and burn or more yet. What would you not preach? To down more them no money.
By saying it's all over social media, baby, I
who now say it's all over me? I don't say it's everywhere. Maybe who say it's a concept, it's a joking. I'm growing a woman because Crowran on support this idea. This Crowran were proud of himself. The person children. Crowran. I will take a course. So I took one up to my bruchira. You don't say yes. You're Nana. I'm telling you. So I took one up to reception a day mano. Any other will say yes. As I'm the baby. And it's America for now. When you guys see a deal control, I'm telling you, we should be proud of ourselves. We should be proud of Ashanti. We should be proud of our king. Maybe I'm a cancer, I can make one code you that. I'm very proud of African way. What did I mention? And the number way you know, maybe lifestyle. So lifestyle is breaking marriage. I'm telling you, crown and so lifestyle is breaking marriage. Lifestyle is breaking marriage. What did I mention? And do you say our kings were there before our presidents?
Yes.
You don't know.
Oh, besides maybe who say?
But see, do you know that?
Yes, and yeah, he need the fitty.
Every tete.
No first I for
and to me, they need the emma for no more. Sidana make a Carmen Qua, can be parliamentarian season. I didn't know. Came from my handful. Because when he need be a crown woman. What did I mention? I don't think I could be. You have got a pamay and quite another. Ayatepa. Quebrekum. Quadoma. What did I mention? Yanka said, I'm not to a quarter. Why you come as it? But we be free, baby. Near your two Abama. Quabuaka, aye. And took us when he been a dear Buaka, your day or dinner parliamentarian with fruit on man. You didn't see what you see. What are you talking about?
What I say.
What did I mention that? You should be very careful. You're sensitive. You don't need the man no more. And the marriages may breaking collapse because of this. You're diverted, you're teaching, you know. But send when you send to see and crown Cobemwa. And at the foreign culture now, you're able to get worry with you. I said you might be brave. Ebi onana. Woni o maame, one onana ba e ware transe. No mu do koku, o mu transe ya, o ma nya ware. O onana kura ware be mienu nyensa ba onana ba timi transe ya. Ene ne kura ne tena afie. Ba o maame so no papa ware no, o papa de kitobe o maame hu se no enye. O tena me chana, e de bentia.
And your master says, no, yeah, era na I won your 21st century.
21st century na ye kana. Nyema na sesa. Ba ye Africans na ye wo ha saying. Kwape na ye kwape abrofo no is not helping us. Ye nananom njimi yo.
Say no. Even school crowd.
Baby a wundru ye nka ho asem.
If I told them some school crowd kwa catch all say. Wo sua dia ensua ha de nko a. Fa na so ye business na dia. Kofo no be.
Me chira wade. We pretend a lot. And the power we need the boom. You pretend a lot. Maybe really say wedding. I don't encourage wedding.
Oh, yeah, wedding.
Maybe a wedding. But I don't encourage wedding. I mean, encourage you.
Why? Because it's don't worry.
Oh, Debbie. Say a trans mamma, papa trans no mission a wedding. By this kind of wedding, now pain, why not? You come here, ba na afi na ebe kusi ka ho no ene ka ho no me I don't encourage it obi timi ka so oprabosia e dey or your engagement oprabosia I don't encourage such niema. What I mean is there's one thing I encourage understanding and unity. So when it's going to be side na it's up to that nipa obi ware wa family be 6 obi ware wa family be 10 obi ware tete krade abanso mo ba no omsa omo sa asabi na nkofo ebire esikoto atade ekoto mpabo ma we me I don't encourage any money. Do you know one thing about life? Money is very important. And the BS can be when you're dealing with that area, so be very careful. Especially marriage. So why are you careful? Who would do sikabma do swati? Who would do sikabma do for no any problem? Who would do sikabma wa wari aba form? Who would do sika abetete ono odofo ntem wo wodo sika be mo atwese kan akọ odofo nchen do you know money Bible says it is the root of all what evil. Sin. Until you're very careful, we shouldn't waste money. We shouldn't waste money. And a copyright and also obi wari we yade we jesu ye bi. Obi wari we yade we jesu ye bi. Say ya kofa bro for culture no. And one system na be mengo with our culture and any problem aba. When abrofu is using computers to do the assignments, we are university ni person no laptop. Our school. We want to our laptop. So we are university. Our laptop we many. Oh, show me sao. By America, mo ko problem say when we university of America to laptop. Laptop na ye Canada no to nchia. Wo ko abrochi na ye kire o ma dey so mo edu level wa. O mo use screen. Wo use chalkboard. Chalkboard no so ho na mo wo no. Wo ha se na mo na mo ye ni person. Last time ba na bi gina bonten.
Classroom
yes,
100 and something.
100 and something. Mo kwa demo.
Debi bi gina bonten.
Mo lab, mo computer lab.
I sit lab.
Ni person na ko. Machine is send wo.
Do don kwa na nso.
Do do na enye de.
Nso.
Okay. Enti ma make sanwa. O me o so wo me bia ye nnure ye no. Ya ni kwase e ka wa asem. Ana yesi ye be ya ye fiti preoccupy so fiti preoccupy to sina mojaba enti that's our problem when the abrofo ni isu o mo convoy and abrofo ni isu cars ye nu ho ye nu say what say ha say car ti bi ba yesi MP car o park ni jesi so
ye nu so on chia petrol car
ya wan kasa car e tora kura say ye yi free apata ba car say ye me free o mu du ha no ma sa so ya wa ton car auto petrol say ma park na agency so na na ba ko be sra no o de yem fa nto ha o de me che na car ni sija car no esi so you knew sa na ma no covid e ba yi let me tell you one thing I believe says our buy na ye na gene say enkra no muti fie nyina obe ma o mahia de obetimi aye
abro so na me kwase anya ba we yanka menim say omo wo obia number utimi send kan say for omo for nana covid device ka ebe enye obi entima ma obi a wan sidi afa na wo say omo obi a number
me ba ma me nche wade bi ma me nche wade bi e wasi ehu we are not doing politics here but this is what we are doing yan kasan you introduce you to the say that you met here for almost 6 months
ebro
okay me ba yan fa say almost 6 months e go no muti fie na ba be your parents adeso abe your burden about your burden. And I'm telling you, we should be very careful. Kwame di bayi, omo ama wari into kwa be mu doso. Omo ama wari eso ye doso. Omo ama fa hwanyem e doso. Enti ya yenye on dem ekire. Yen hwe ne bi ye. Nye ma ye ni na ho. Nye ma ye ni na ho. E se nye ma bebre. Yes, I won way free.
Dana.
Oh, wona ko hospital ato ntua sika.
Ntua.
Eto wi a. Na aduane akwa ni kodin so asa aka say no chi free. Baby ado oba na ekọ na ye free. Your mentality we should be very smart. Ni pro wo ye na wo free, no kwa wada form ye je wada form. Ko SD ko central so ko G up to date obi da form. Na wo kwa da form a wo na adwene na de ko wo ye na esen. What tell me chana say? And you very careful. You proud of. Said yet here. Then I don't want to answer. Papa, you are in nine. What Roman don't say. Up to that, I know. Up to so we are in that. Mammy, show a dear beer. Penny because semi travel. And the mechanic man showed the talk. Noise in comfort. Penny, yes, I say. And then young girls, young boys see you. Who will be obituary. 50 years, 32 years,
30, 25.
Born soon. Children, 2. Ube with mother, lawyer, judge, reverend, blah, wife 1. Age 52, 48. Ube with penny could do menu. Age 101, wives 4. Children 89. A man of Fridgesson, a young man or more, couldn't go for the air. Paprina say 102, 96 94 deɛ na ɛkum ɛnɛ youth no depression. I'm not encouraging two wives, but we need to deal with that thing. You need advices on the boy. You need advices on the marriage not sustain, but your advices on the creative problem. The mentality, we don't have the agenda to think good, but we are agenda to think evil. That's why you never be a coswa. Upa ya idea so be obi amana bo ba chare say wo ya idea enye ye tie say pa mo nwa mo ube followers on beba ube viewers on beba we ye tie ye kan ube nya obi oba be argue but wo so wo ya idea so argument amana that idea wo ye na anye den anye adwuma. I like arguments. Patwa tell me tell enti ye nya sa adwene no ne nya say nipa be wu mutie ma mo nkase nkofo ware tu ko ware di sa ware ye bie so a ka bebi a ye bie bi so kan fa 1%. Niema nkofo hye dem su ho ekofo mo ye awrade e bie ye mion mensu so matamfo nyame ye ana do so ekofo mo su go me because of marriage, ekofo mo su go because of dating, ekofo mo su because of courtship ana do so. But then I make us say, Mr. Adia Chua, more than a mias. Because marriage is not everything. And I thought that you were free, but we'll be about the count more than a bed lantern. And a problem.
More than 20. So no more, no,
oh, Mamma Chowadi, Mamma Chowadi. Mamma Chowadi, I good to observe the question. Yam can't say me say. Me, be I am one who we are sick. Some may your banner, me cook for Bema. May your banner, me cook for bar. Me man in a problem. Me, me, no. Maybe sir. Why? But me men in drink of fast can call ban or some of our bars and the call Bantago. Next time I call with them. Then I make us and I'm on Timas. What's your crown? Walk over me. Now, could them way. What did I mean? Or be sent into a fair Bruno. What did I mean? Oh, all this teaching Sibini and Children go for the Amma Yanya MY. And the spirit of selfishness. How about the ready pebble? You're one person who didn't go for me, one person who can go for me. But say a cosia, a man nunti, won't end our life. A bit messy. Say, guess I'm with you here. Minimum beer or banning boy could you know, or banning jai, bearman. Course was so that when coffee Bruno walk far. Ye do it. Oh, a brother, a shiny prayer, you couldn't pray. One minute, she will. Then they say, oh, breaking relationship. I know, mini panel. The man can find no money. Say, oh, get this one in need that. I talk of further. But I may just say, I don't know, no, me. No, for so friend, club. I'm quite one a year. Now, do a shim at the end of the she don't want to call us better. We decide. Copen club. So, a band way, or band is so intimate. Relationship for what? We are in Bavania. Oh, we are wouldn't be a Ubenia. Our record would not prache. And you're very careful. Amen. Amen. And to the next year, Passia, the separate accounts, you know, Yamwana, you know who you think so. Okay with a separate account. Separate account here, I will check. I never say anything I say here, and so still issue back. Oh, some can be said separate accounts, it will be issue back. Get accounts, it will be issue back, but you're in percentage wise sound. Then, you know, issue should form. Then, separate one, maybe will be a person who will be. So atomase. Who confirm despite yere de ba. Wo na wo ko and found say despite and I said Kesman na one more is capable. Ni sika ni yiri ne control. Yes. Yes. Ni yiri ne control. Na me we did be about Sule the Obobon. What's say the wife for the only control the baby Messi. The wife, Messi on to so winning this and wife. Then I didn't ask anybody a submission. Sule ni yiri mobile ni bi. Oni na ebo. Messi ni yiri mobile oni na ebo. Ba oba no e ma me na oba advice no de ma no nya se wo ko no fa bibi de e bra sa de ni nhye ni tiri de de se de wo ko ko boa be ma no de me ka what ma say wo ko me ko aware bia ase ne wo tu sa ba wo me mo anu se ka se wan se ma wo kam na de wo tu sa ba no ko no o de bibi ba yan ko ba be tu fun ka de o de ba nko fa no a what the measure say enti dia de wo ha na tetiri nyina ba na ye say he me so bu problem bo tan so he ya boy onya so for onya ho Christian ana ko fa girl bi no ani girl no kra na nwoe wa ware o ena na se wasidan na se atu ne yire no for say na wani na ho ne dan oba na okura ko fa no so wan hwe anya ho ade a ukuru dan na wo sim ya ra na oba no akobem
Obema ni obe yawo na okware obi foforo.
Me yire no. Ha? Ana me no to yawo. Me enu. Ana me yini sa akotwe mpra.
Okay.
Ana wo ma no tu fi se yini sa ma ba be fa no. Wo ba, wo ma me ba yini so be wona ni say. Se dan na masine sin na wo wa ba bia, e dan no ne me ba na ye den. E see you.
That's what I say.
Na ma me na be wona yini so. Do yini sa e bone. Ana yini so kare kire ni. This kind na many units are force. Me am catch up.
That's a very manesible.
No, insinable.
Because of their
So what kind says a dina me masine into. And why you saw the neighbor champion dia. Bement uni. What catch them say tell so here. One more ban wo. Na no ka say oban wa de na so nyai. Was it papa me your ban what the call masia yenti. Upon ne o ni ru ko no so ja na ma ka bia woni se no oba ne kwa no do oba ne tek this what talk am oba wo tu so oba ne car front
Ni wo bi.
ni ni ka
E dey say
what is the no but na me ka secret be intro go and read much about Jesmeya the books mami che wa de bi se wo how is it to be ma o ka wo ne bana tra ho wo